Today we are going to learn about mastering regex for data validation in Python. We will explore effective regex patterns for data validation, enhancing your ability to process and ensure data quality.
Welcome to our video on mastering regex for data validation in Python. Regular expressions, often abbreviated as regex, are sequences of characters that form search patterns. These are incredibly powerful tools for data validation, allowing you to verify the integrity and format of data with precision. In this video, we'll cover vital regex patterns and demonstrate how to use them in Python to validate data formats like emails, phone numbers, and dates. By the end of this session, you'll have the skills to implement regex efficiently, ensuring data quality and integrity in your projects. Let's get started. Regular expressions are a powerful method for defining patterns in text. In essence, a regex is a string that describes a search pattern. They are used to perform pattern matching on text data, which is crucial for tasks like searching, editing, or validating data. Regex patterns are composed of literal characters and special symbols, known as metacharacters, which have distinct meanings. Common operators include the dot, asterisk, and caret. In Python, the module provides functions to work with regular expressions, allowing you to search through strings, match patterns, or replace text. Understanding these basics will enable you to harness the full potential of regex in your data validation tasks. In the realm of data validation, certain regex patterns are frequently used to ensure data meets specific criteria. Alphanumeric checks are common, allowing you to confirm that strings contain only letters and numbers. Whitespace detection helps in validating formats where spaces are not allowed. Character classes, defined with square brackets, let you specify a set of characters to match. Anchors, such as the caret, and $, are used to denote the start and end of strings, respectively. Quantifiers like plus and allow you to define how many instances of a character or group you want to match. Mastering these patterns will significantly enhance your ability to validate data accurately.
Email validation is a critical task in data processing, ensuring the format is correct before further use. A typical email consists of a local part, an @symbol, and a domain part. The regex pattern for validating emails typically looks like this: azazi09._%++ at azazi09, plus backslash azazi2, $. This pattern checks for the presence of valid characters in both parts and ensures there is a dot followed by at least 2 characters at the end of the domain. While this pattern covers most cases, it's essential to test it against various examples to handle any edge cases. We'll demonstrate implementing this pattern in Python using the module.
Phone numbers come in various formats, which can be challenging to validate. Whether you're dealing with international or local formats, regex can help ensure these numbers are correctly structured. For instance, a regex pattern like +1 to 9 \D1, $14 can validate international phone numbers, ensuring they start with an optional plus sign followed by digits. For local numbers, you might use patterns like \D3 \S \D3 \S \D4 to account for optional area codes and separators. Testing these patterns against sample data is crucial to ensure they work as intended. We'll explore how to implement these checks in Python to streamline your data validation process. Validating date formats is another common requirement in data processing. The standard format YYYY-MM-DD is widely used and can be validated using regex. A pattern like \D4 \D2 $D2 ensures the string follows the correct structure. However, this doesn't account for leap years or invalid dates like February 30th. To handle such cases, additional logic may be needed alongside regex. We'll discuss these complexities and show how to integrate the regex validation in a Python script, ensuring the dates you process are both correctly formatted and logically valid. In data validation, detecting and managing invalid entries is as crucial as confirming valid formats. Regex can be a powerful tool for identifying anomalies in your data. By crafting patterns that exclude invalid formats, you can flag entries for review. Once detected, it's essential to handle these errors gracefully, either by correcting them, if possible, or by excluding them from further processing. We'll explore strategies for managing these scenarios, including employing Python's exception handling features to maintain robust and error-resistant data validation scripts.
Integrating regex validation into your Python scripts can automate many tedious data validation tasks, improving efficiency and accuracy. The module in Python provides all the necessary functions to work with regex, such as search, match, and find. By creating functions that encapsulate regex patterns, you can build reusable components that can be applied across various projects. We'll walk you through examples of how to incorporate regex into Python scripts effectively, demonstrating automation techniques that can save you time and reduce errors in data processing.
Testing and debugging your regex patterns is vital to ensure they perform as expected under various scenarios. Tools like Regex 101 and Pythex provide platforms to test and refine your patterns interactively. Debugging involves identifying areas where your regex might fail, such as not accounting for specific edge cases or being too broad or narrow in scope. It's essential to iterate and test your patterns thoroughly, adjusting them to handle unexpected inputs. We'll discuss common pitfalls and provide strategies for enhancing the accuracy and reliability of your regex patterns, ensuring they meet your data validation needs. As we conclude our session on mastering regex for data validation in Python, let's recap the journey we've taken. We've explored the fundamental concepts of regex, examined common patterns for validating data formats, and learned how to integrate these into Python scripts. Remember, mastering regex is a skill that improves with continuous practice and application. We encourage you to explore additional resources and challenges to hone your skills further. By applying what you've learned today, you'll enhance your data processing capabilities, ensuring high-quality data management in your projects. Thank you for joining us, and happy coding!